Good morning, first grade. Welcome to Tuesday of calendar. Today we have a new problem of the day that might give us a bit of a challenge, so we're going to get right started. We will first start with our days of the week though. So let's go ahead and start. Get those snapping fingers ready. Here we go. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then comes Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then comes Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. Yesterday was Monday. If yesterday was Monday, what does that make today? If yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday. And if today is Tuesday, what will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Very good. So, if yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday. Yesterday was the 5th, which means today is the 6th. How will I write the date up on the board? First, I have to start with my month. O-C-T-O-B-E-R, October. October what? We said the 6th. Make sure you have a space between October and the 6th. Put a comma, and what year are we in? We're in the year, you're right, 2020. Okay? Now, let's go and take a look at our clock right away this morning. Now, here's the time that my clock says. What time does this clock say? Yeah, it says 7 o'clock. Now, I did not have you grab it out yet, but you need to grab from your folder. You need to grab your meeting worksheet out. If you didn't already, grab out your meeting worksheet. And we're going to write in there lesson 22. And what time did we just say? Let's look at the clock again. What time does this say? It's pointing at the 7 and at the 12, which means o'clock. So it's 7 o'clock. So I need to write 7 o'clock in my time. Mrs. Friedrichs, I don't know how to do that. Remember that the hours goes on the left side of the colon. And my minutes, o'clock, goes on the right. And if I don't have any, if it's o'clock, remember that's those 2 zeros. So make sure that you have the 2 zeros. So go ahead and make sure that you have that on your lesson, your meeting worksheet. Okay? Now, I actually want to get to the problem of the day right away. So you can just leave your sheet, sit to the side for a second, and let's look at the problem of the day. Gary's mother asked him if he'd rather have 1/2 of a sandwich or 1/4 of a sandwich. Which should he choose? He's really hungry. He's not just looking for like a teeny tiny little bite of something. He's hungry. So if he's choosing, here's our bread for our sandwich. Our choices are 1/2 or 1/4. 1/2 means I'm going to take my sandwich and I'm going to cut it into 2 even pieces. 1/4 means I'm going to take my sandwich and cut it into 4 equal pieces. And if it's 1/2, I get to eat this right here. If it's 1/4, I only get to eat this right here. So which would he rather have? Would he rather have 1/2 or 1/4? He would rather have 1/2. Very good. Thanks for solving that problem with me this morning. We can always investigate and try to figure out what to do by drawing out pictures. It's okay to do that. I still like to do that today. Let's take a look at our weather. Look outside. What is it like out right now? What's the temperature? Is it hot, warm, cool, or cold? Now, is it windy, rainy, sunny, cloudy, snowy? All right, so now you have your two things that you could say about our weather. Let's look at our pattern today. If you look at our pattern, you can see that we have a triangle, circle, triangle, square. So we have an A, B, we have another triangle, A, and this is different from the circle, so it has to be a C, remember. A, B, A, C pattern. A, B, A, C. A, B, A, C. All right. Now we need to just finish filling that in. Triangle, circle, triangle, square. Triangle, circle, triangle, square. Yep, you said triangle. Circle. Triangle. And square. Wonderful job. Now, here's your chance to once again get out your meeting worksheet. We are going to fill in our daily count. So, today we are starting at number 93. So, you're going to write 93 in that first box. Make sure it says lesson 22. 93. Okay? Now, you're going to write these down as I say them out loud. You also, I would love if you would say them out loud too, so that you get more practice with them. So, let's get started. 93, 94, 95, 96. Do you have those done? 93, 93. 94, 94. 95, 96. 97. 98. 99. What comes after 99? 100. 1, 0, 0. 101, 102. So what number ended our first row? Our first row was ended with 102. Let's do one more row together. After 102 comes 103, 104. That's 104, 104, 105, 106. 107, 108, 109, 109, 109, 110, 110, 110, 111, and 112. Yesterday, we looked for and found our even numbers. Today, can we find our odd numbers? Let's look just at the first row. Remember, our odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So, let's look for 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Am I looking for 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 here? No, it has to be this end number, the number that we say is in the ones spot. So, 93, does that end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9? Yes, it does. If you would like to put a bubble around it, you can, or circle it, or put a square. Doesn't matter. You choose. 94, 95. Yep. Ends in a 5. 96, 97. Ooh, it ends in a 7. 98. No, that's even. 99. Yes. Now, what happens when I get to 3-digit numbers? Does anything change? No, it's all the same. 100 ends in a 0. So is that odd? No. 101. That ends in a 1. So is that number odd? Yes, it is. 102 ends in a 2. So that's even. Let's just do this last one here. 103. Odd or even? I heard you say odd. Why? Because it ends in a 3. Wonderful job doing that today. All right, my friends. the last thing we want to do is do a little bit of counting. We want to count by tens, and we want to count some even numbers. We're going to start by we're going to do a little clapping today. We're going to count from 0 to 100, and then we're going to go from 100 down to 0. Here we go. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now go backwards. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and 0. Let's count our even numbers. Repeat after me. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now we'll do it again. This time you say it with me right away. We're going to snap them. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Great job. We had a chance to practice our odd numbers on our daily count today, so we are not going to count our odd numbers today. First grade, please take your sheet. Now that you are done with what we've done, we started at 93, and today we ended at 112. Okay, so 93 should have been your first number, 112 should have been your last number. So when that is all filled in, go ahead, please, and put it back in your folder so that it's nice and safe, and we will use it again tomorrow. Make sure, please, that you are watching all of your videos for math. Also, make sure you're getting this calendar sheet done. I want you to get a lot of practice, so make sure that you're doing this with us. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.